Welcome back to the channel. As you saw in the title, today we're going to be putting a full Send Wheelie Works fully suspended front fork setup on this bike. As you know, the stock ATC 70 is just a rigid front fork, and aside from those balloon tires, she can be a pretty rough ride. So because this bike's going to have quite a bit more power than stock, and we want to make it a little more rider friendly for adults, we're going to be putting something along the lines of these bad boys on here. So I'm just going to kind of go through this. I'll speed up the camera in a couple places, not to bore you, but we'll walk through this and get this baby put together. All right, let's go through taking this front fork off. Just to be fair, I have kind of broke some of these nuts and bolts loose ahead of time, just to make things go a little quicker, be a little less boring. First up, 14 millimeter on these handlebar clamps. Pops these right off of here. Super simple. So when you get in here, the bearings on these they're loose. Balls are not caged, so there's 42 individual ball bearings that are going to go everywhere in your world when you take this apart. What I like to do is get one of these magnetic trays set underneath here. I usually use a bigger one, but I'm using it for something else right now. That will catch the majority of them. As you can see, they're already doing their thing. Not a big deal. There's 21 top, 21 bottom. Just make sure that you put them all back in there. And if you do lose some, they're super cheap. You can get a kit to do everything for like maybe 10 bucks tops. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out, and these bearings are probably, yep, there they go. Okay, see, nothing's hard on these things. That was a pretty simple task. Had everything kind of set up ahead of time, obviously with tools and whatnot, but still it wasn't that big of a deal. Okay, let me clean this mess up, and we'll jump back in here and put this newfangled suspension on the front. All right, I got the full Send kit laid out here for you on the table. Looks like it's pretty straightforward. Of course, it came with 0 instructions, but I'm pretty sure I can figure it out. I'm not going to do a ton of talking during this video. I'll just hit some high points every once in a while and kind of probably speed things up for you. Main reason I'm not going to talk is because I have no plan, and I don't want to sound stupid putting this together for the first time. So I'm going to get right after this. Okay, looks like it's at least mocked up for now. I'm not gonna tighten everything up to final spec just right now, because I got to obviously take this thing apart before I put these pretty things on there for good. So I haven't figured out what handlebars I'm going to run yet, so that'll come along later. But as you can see, with no instructions, it didn't go together too bad. It comes with new races and caged bearings if you want to use those. That's what I put in here for now. I haven't decided. I may go back to the stock loose bearings. We'll see what happens. That pretty much sums that up. Comes with a new front axle also. It allows you to use your stock front hub and stock front wheel spacers, so that's convenient. See, it does have a provision here for mounting the brake caliper. If you choose to go down that road, I won't be doing that. I think that's about it. It's pretty good looking unit, can't complain. Not exactly a cheap option, but there aren't many options out there. So full Send Wheelie Works, high quality milled aluminum pieces. Everything we needed was there. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.